Hello students, this is me again. I hope you have watched the video of supplementary, and in this video let's talk about abbreviation and acronyms. It comes under lexical part. In lexical part we can see many vocabulary things like singular plural, phrasal verb, idioms, American and British English words, abbreviation and acronyms, homophones, homonyms, etc. Apart from prose, poem, supplementary and grammar, learning such a lexical thing is really very important to all kind of students. It really helps not only in exam point of view, but also it develops our vocabulary knowledge. Initially, we start with abbreviation and acronyms. Let's see what is it. What is an abbreviation? Abbreviation is a group of letters resulting from shortening a word by removing letters or even by using the first few letters of the word. For example, AVEA for avenue, or DR for doctor, or RD for road. These are abbreviations. Actually, there are two types of abbreviations: acronyms and initialisms. Let's see the difference between these two. What are acronyms? An acronym is a word created from the first letters of a long name or phrase, usually capitalized. Look at the example. North Atlantic Treaty Organization is a group of words, and NATO is an acronym for the group of words. The acronym often sounds like a regular word when being pronounced. Let's see the examples. AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is an acronym for the group of words and it is short for that. Likewise, radar, radio detection and ranging. Laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging. What is initialism? An initialism is a phrase formed from the first letters of a group of words, usually capitalized. It is similar to acronyms, but you could find a little difference between these two. Because in initialism, each letter is spoken individually and does not create a regular word. See these examples. CEO. We should not say this as CO. It should be said by letters. Like CEO stands for Chief Educational Officer. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. UK, United Kingdom. UN, United Nations. In this part, we could see some important and textbook exercise for abbreviation and acronyms. These are examples for abbreviations. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. BSc stands for Bachelor of Science, and MA, Master of Arts. MPhil, Master of Philosophy. CEO, Chief Educational Officer. DEO, District Educational Officer. RRB, Railway Recruitment Board. AIDS, Acute Immunodeficiency Syndrome. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. OTP, one time password. And this is examples for acronyms which are given in textbook. Laser, it should be said as word, not by letter. because these are called acronyms. Acronyms is similar like word. Light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation is a group of words, and laser is an acronym for the group of words. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organizations. Radar, radio detection and ranging. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging. Scuba, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. It is a unified district information system for education. Students, after this video you will have a Word document which consists a number of some important abbreviation and acronyms. Please watch this video carefully. After this video, try to read all the examples of acronyms and abbreviation given in the Word document, and do practice and do memorize all these examples. Really, it will be helpful to you at any time. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.